Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Steelseries AEROX 3 wireless gaming mouse. Surprisingly, prices of gaming accessories have come down recently, and I got myself a wireless keyboard and mouse from Amazon, and today we'll be looking at the Steelseries AEROX 3 wireless gaming mouse. This mouse is super lightweight and weighs in at only 68 grams and comes with a battery life of up to 80 hours. It also comes with 6 programmable buttons and a 3-zone RGB lighting. It also comes with a 18,000 dpi and wireless connectivity via a 2.4 GHz USB dongle or Bluetooth. I really like the weight of the mouse and how it looks. So let's do a quick unboxing, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Steelseries AEROX 3 wireless ultra lightweight gaming mouse. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Alright, here we go. That's the mouse itself, and we'll take a look at that in a sec. Let's see what's inside the box. AEROX 3 wireless product information guide. There you go. And there's the USB-C charging cable. Looks very nice, got some nice quality braided cable there. And open this for glory. Let's take a look. Alright. Oh, we have the USB dongle there. Notice there's a USB-C connector. Interesting. Alright. You need that for the wireless 2.4 GHz. And this is a USB-C extension adapter. Very nice. Okay, so these are the accessory bits. Let's take a look at the mouse itself. Alright, this is the white version. Again, it's got 6 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The grips are smooth, so there's no contoured grips here. Lightweight, very lightweight. And at the bottom here we have just 2 slides, one at the top, a big one, and one at the bottom here. And there's the toggle switch here for the Bluetooth and the wireless 2.4 GHz. Alright. It's got a nice matte finish and weighs only 68 grams, so it's pretty lightweight, and it comes with 18,000 CPI and up to 80 hours of battery life. And you can see there's a RGB LED strip here all the way along the bottom here, which is quite nice. And the top here you can see the USB-C port, and you can plug the USB-C cable to charge the mouse or use it as a wired mouse as well. So yeah, very nice. So that's a quick unboxing of the Steelseries AEROX 3 wireless gaming. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Steelseries AEROX 3 wireless gaming mouse. It offers a DPI of 18,000 with RGB, as well as 80 hours of battery life, and it's super lightweight at only 68 grams. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.